Hey guys, whether you sell candles, car diffusers, or any other home fragrance product, the truth is some products are just more powerful than others when it comes to building your business. And one of those products, hands down, is the car diffuser. Now, if you're a candle maker, car diffusers are the perfect add-on to increase sales. And if you're already selling diffusers, I'm going to show you why they're one of the smartest tools you have for creating irresistible offers, boosting bundles, and building loyal customers. In this video, I'll break down why car diffusers work so well, how they can help you sell more without discounting your products, and why they might just be the secret weapon your business needs right now. Now, let me tell you how I discovered just how powerful car diffusers really are. When I first started selling candles at vendor fairs, I went in thinking my candles would be the star of the show. And don't get me wrong, people love them, but then I decided to bring along a few car diffusers, almost as an afterthought. And here's what happened. They completely stole the spotlight. I had customers walk right past my candles, pick up a diffuser and say, "Oh wow, I need one of these in my car." And before I knew it, they weren't just buying one, they were grabbing 2 or 3 as gifts. And by the end of the day, my car diffusers had outsold my candles. And that was kind of my light bulb moment. These weren't just fun side products, they were actually a strategy. And that's when I realized, if a small, low-cost item like this can outsell my main product at a fair, then maybe the real power isn't just in what you sell, but how you position it. So why do car diffusers work so well? Let's go a little bit deeper into this, because once you understand the reasons, you'll see why they're not just a fun add-on, they're actually a strategy. So reason 1 is the low cost and high perceived value. So car diffusers don't cost much to make, right? But when customers see them, they immediately feel premium. The glass bottles, the fragrance, the way they hang in the car, it just looks like something worth more than it is. And that's the sweet spot for us as makers, because the value the customer sees is much higher than what it cost us to produce. That gap is exactly what Alex Hormozy calls value stacking. You're not just giving away discounts that eat into your profit, instead you're stacking the deck in your favor by offering something that feels luxurious without draining your margins. It's the difference between a business that struggles to stay afloat and one that scales profitably. Now, reason 2 is impulse buy power. So at vendor fairs, I've had customers who didn't plan on spending $1 walk by, they see the diffusers and grab one without hesitation. Why? Because at that price point, it's not a big decision. It's the perfect why not purchase, right? And once you get them to buy one, they often come back for more and grab extras as gifts. Online, it works the same way. When a customer is checking out with a candle, you can suggest a car diffuser in the same scent. What I've noticed is like 9 out of 10 times they'll add it because it doesn't feel like a big commitment. And that's how you increase your average order value without having to raise your prices or pressure anyone into buying more. Now, reason 3 is because they're giftable in everyday use. Now, candles are amazing, but they usually live on a shelf or a table at home. Car diffusers though, they go everywhere your customer goes. Every time they get in their car, they're reminded of your brand, your scent, and your experience. That kind of brand presence is priceless, and let's be real. People love giving these as gifts. I've had customers buy multiple because they're affordable, unique, and feel thoughtful. That means your product isn't just selling once, it's spreading into more households, more cars, more opportunities for repeat customers. And reason 4 is they are a real bundle booster. And here's where it gets really exciting. On their own, car diffusers are great, but when you bundle them with candles, wax melts, or room sprays, that's when the magic happens. A $25 candle supply feels like a $35 to $40 value when it comes to matching it with a diffuser. You've instantly increased the perceived value of your offer without discounting. And this is how you escape the trap of racing to the bottom with discounts. Instead of taking $5 off your candle and shrinking the margins, you add a diffuser and make the deal feel irresistible. Customers walk away feeling like they got a steal, but you protected your profits and even raised your average order value. And that's smart business. So when you combine all of these, low cost with high perceived value, impulse buy power, giftability, everyday use, and bundle potential, you get a product that doesn't just sell it by itself, it makes everything else around it sell better too. Now, of course, all of this only works if you got quality supplies behind your products. And that's why I'm so excited to share that I've officially partnered with Makesy, and they're known for their famous wood wicks and aura jars. And now you can grab the jars, wax, and wicks directly through my website. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out after this video. Now, here's where car diffusers go from being just a good product to being a true business weapon. Think about it. Most of the time, when sales are low, our first instinct is to run a discount. But your discounts shrink your margins and train your customers to only buy when things are on sale. And that's not really a strategy. That's survival mode. Instead, what if you added value? This is where car diffusers shine. Imagine you're selling a $25 candle, and instead of cutting $5 off the price, you add a free car diffuser. To the customer, this feels like they just got a bonus worth of $10 to $15, but for you, the cost is tiny compared to the impact it makes. And that's exactly what Alex Hormozi means when he talks about creating offers so good, people feel stupid saying no, right? So you can use this in so many ways. Offer a free diffuser when someone signs up for your subscription box. Create seasonal bundles, like a fall candle paired with a pumpkin spice car diffuser. Or at fairs, run a simple promotion. Buy 2 candles, get a car diffuser for free. What happens is magical. The customer feels like they're getting more than they paid for, your perceived value goes through the roof, and your profits stay intact because you didn't slash prices, you just stacked value. And this is how small products like car diffusers can unlock big results in your business. Now, if you're serious about turning candle making into a real business, I built a course just for you. It's called the Candle Makers Academy, and the first series is called From Hobbyist to Entrepreneur. It's the first step in the Candle Makers Academy, and you'll get over 90 pages of beginner-friendly training plus 10 guided worksheets and checklists that take you from hobbyist to entrepreneur with confidence. Now, the full value of this module is $147, but right now, for a limited time, I've priced it at just $14. Why so low? Well, because I want to get this in as many hands as possible and collect more testimonials. And it's basically risk-free. And once you hit our testimonial goal, I have to bring the price back up, unfortunately. And here's a little insider bonus. If you're part of my YouTube channel at the inner circle level, you'll actually get this course completely free. All you have to do is email me, I'll send you the access code, and links for everything are in the description. Don't wait because this offer won't last for long. Here's the truth. Sometimes the biggest breakthroughs in your business don't come from massive overhauls. They come from small, intentional shifts. For me, car diffusers were one of those shifts. They may seem like tiny bottles, but they completely changed the way I sell, the way I bundle, and the way I create value for my customers. So whether you're a candle maker, a diffuser seller, or you're just getting started, remember this. You don't have to discount yourself to grow. You just have to get creative with how you stack value. Add products that make your customer feel like they're winning, and watch how your sales and confidence start to grow. And if you want to learn how to actually make car diffusers step by step, I've got the tutorial right here on my channel, so you can just go to that video and watch that. And if you're ready to build a candle business from the ground up, please make sure to grab the Candle Makers Academy course while it's still available for just $14. Or just join my Inner Circle membership here on YouTube and you'll get it for free. Again, just email me, I'll send you the code. And if you need quality supplies, don't forget, through my partnership with Makesy, you can now grab jars, wicks, and wax directly from my website. All the links are waiting for you down in the description below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share this if you think it can help somebody, and I'll see you in the next one.